Hey guys, this is Munir and you're watching Tecky for you. Today's video is going to be a very informative and I'm going to show you how to register for COVID vaccine. So without any delay, let's start the video. So first of all, you need to install Aarogya Setu App from Google Play Store or App Store. So after installing, you need to allow next and allow device location Bluetooth on. You need to turn on location so that they can give you exact place. You need to enter here mobile number and you will get OTP. So after entering OTP, you need to enter the personal details here. Here you need to enter your full name and your age and your professional and the countries which you have visited last 30 days. And here you need to give are you feeling well or not. So after submitting, you need to enter here vaccination information or vaccination login. You will see 4 options. You need to enter in vaccination login. So after login, you need to enter mobile number. You will get OTP here. So you need to enter OTP here and click submit. Proceed to verify. And here you need to select driving license, proof of driving license, PAN card, Aadhaar card or passport, and you need to enter the number of the proof. So like that I have given driving license number, gender you need to select, and the year of the birth, which year you are born. I'm just giving to show you 1976 and clicking submit. So successfully added my name. Okay, after that you need to give up to 4 beneficiary number you can give in one mobile number. And I'm again giving. So here just click the name and click schedule vaccination. Here you need to give pin code number so that they can track the nearest vaccine center, and here you need to give the date in which you want to get appointment. I am giving 1st May 2021, and here you need to select free or need or you need paid. I am selecting free and selecting the nearest vaccination center and checking the check availability option, and I am getting 4 or 5. So I am scheduled for appointment 6:30 to 8:30. Once you add beneficiary name and confirm appointment, you will get notification via SMS also. After that, if you don't want, you can delete here. Just select the name and click whatever you have given beneficiary name, your name. So finally deleted, and you can permanently cancel the appointment. So that's it for today. Hope this video was very informative. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and family. Hope this video was very informative and useful to all, and who knows, this video is going to be very helpful for anyone. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tecky for you and click the bell icon and click notification bell all, so that you can get the latest videos from Tecky for you as soon as I upload on YouTube. So take care, bye bye, be safe and get COVID vaccine, and share how to register COVID vaccine in your area. Thank you, bye bye, Tecky for you.